If you're looking for the ultimate family fun day out, or your employees need specialist training, come join us at Eureka 4-wheel drive training. We'll teach you how to operate your 4-wheel drive with confidence. Eureka's certified and experienced instructors will guide you through a range of techniques at our various locations throughout Perth and the Northwest. We'll teach you how to drive through soft sand and sandhills, bush terrain, and gravel ascents and descents, as well as vehicle recovery, how to get your 4-wheel drive out of those tricky situations, and much more. Whether you're about to embark on your very first 4-wheel drive adventure, or your employees need to update their skills, you'll find a course to suit at Eureka 4-wheel drive training. Our 1- and 2-day courses are nationally accredited and suitable for all types of 4-wheel drives. And at Eureka 4-wheel drive training, recreational drivers can bring passengers for free. Come join us for a day-long driving experience like no other at Eureka 4-wheel drive training.